Bless yourself. I got something that you never heard. Sounds sweet like a dessert. Ice cold got you saying bird. Not the same but you wish you were. Indie grind stepping, 414 repping. Mel Gibson with the arms, I'm a lethal weapon. Slide or bounce, go and get down. Come on, do it now, do it proud, just bless yourself. This sound good for your health. We stepped up and if you couldn't tell, bless yourself. Turn it up to 12. We stepped up and if you couldn't tell, bless yourself.
The wait is over after 3 long years. Wyrmwood is finally upon us. And I had an idea. How many dog puns do you think I can fit into the description of this dog bed right now? 25? Ooh, I might be shy. This project is a long time in the making, but after chewing over designs for many years, the double-sided dog bed by Wyrmwood has finally arrived, and it is something your pooch will be hounding you for. But what makes it double-sided? Our memory foam cushion features a cooling foam on one side, which is a real treat during the summer months, or if the weather is getting rough, flip it over for a cozy Sherpa material. While the cushion is top dog, what really sets the Wyrmwood dog bed apart is the solid wood frame. Say goodbye to barking at an unsightly dog bed. Transform that eyesore into a finely crafted piece of furniture, the best in show for your pet and your living space. When choosing your bed, you have your pick of the litter. We have sizes for every pup. Small, medium, and large. Oh, are you done? We have sizes for every pup. Small, medium, and large. 4 woods to choose from: maple, elm, cherry, and black walnut. And 5 color combinations: biscuit, bear, shadow, sky, and clover. Pause. We have 2 ways to fetch a double-sided dog bed. Our cushion-only tier. If you're drooling over that double-sided action and don't need a wooden frame, you can hop in for $70. Or pounce on our dog bed tier for $345. This tier is limited. We are only making 1,000. So if your ears are perking up, don't let this roll over. Our tails are wagging launching this project after so long. And the design really has become something truly functional and stylish.
Zoom the position right here.
Kovu, come here. As always, thank you everyone for your continued support. This time around on Kickstarter, we are only here for 2 weeks. So don't sit and stay too long before pledging. These won't last forever.